Alright guys, so a friend of mine just sent me this total stations data, which is just the topography of a property in form of northeast and then elevation of different points. Now he asked me to plot or just to import these points into the AutoCAD. For this approach, I'll be using AutoCAD 2022. You can use any version, does not matter. Okay, the first thing what I'm gonna do is to type U in the command bar and then press enter. You can see this drawing setup dialog box. You can do whatever you want, okay, with these units, scales, layers, and display. Okay, I'm happy with the drawing units is meters and then the type is decimal and nothing is going to be changed by me. Okay, when you are done, just click apply and okay. Now AutoCAD can accept those points in different ways. You can plot those by using the polyline, the line functionality of CAD, or even by just typing PO, which is just the point functionality of CAD. Alright, then I'm going to jump into the Excel, and here I'm going to use concatenate functionality of Excel. Okay, for that I'm going to type equal and then concatenate in the command bar. Now the easting and northing can be plotted first, and then like you can say if you plot east first and then north first, you can just do your setup based on date format. Okay, the first thing what I'm going to plot is east, so I'm going to mention east. Okay, then I'm going to just type comma, then double comma, some people call it colons. Okay, then comma, then double comma, and single comma, and then my approach is going to be the north. Okay, here we don't have elevation, all elevations are 0, so I'm not going to include that. Okay, I'm going to close that brackets and then press enter. As you can see, Excel just um, did provide that comma between the east and north. Okay, I'm going to apply this to all rows just by clicking over here and done. Okay, now I'm going to just copy this. Okay, this column. Okay, right click and then copy, and then I'm going to jump into this CAD again. All right, here I'm going to type multiple, okay, in the command bar, and then AutoCAD is asking enter command name to repeat. I'm going to draw points. Okay, just type point and then press enter, and now paste those points, or you can say those topo points which you have just copied from Excel. Okay, right click and just paste those. As you can see, it's already done. I'm just going to press escape. The points are already been drawn, but we can't see them. Okay, for that we need to zoom extend. Just type Z space and then E space. Bam, that's done. Pretty awesome. You can see these points. Okay, you can see them here. So these are topo points. Okay, let me try another file. Okay, one another, this one again, concatenate equal concatenate, where is it, this one, comma double comma. Okay, oops, first I wanna try easting, then comma double comma double comma, and comma, and then the north, and close that thing. Okay, just apply to all and copy that. Okay, jumping into the AutoCAD, here again I'm going to repeat that thing. Okay, just multiple, okay, and then point. I'm going to just paste those points. Done. Okay, escape. Okay, so this is just the boundary. Now you can try polyline and join each point, and that is going to represent the boundary of your property. Okay, some people do it like this, but what I'm gonna do is something a little different. Okay, okay, I missed this guy. Okay, no problem, I'm going to delete that, and again let me just jump over there and copy this. Okay, now let's try another way. Polyline, you can do it even by polyline. Type PL in the command bar and just paste that data. Wow, that's pretty nice. C space to close the property, and that's your property. You can use double A space, then O space, and click this property. As you can see, that's your area. Copy date and paste it. Where is it? By Control V. Yeah, Control V is also okay. You can just scale that guy uh, up to this. Okay, that's done. Area is now 1147 units. Okay, this is how you can import your total stations data, or you can say your topography into the AutoCAD. That's done. See you in the next video.